What's up, guys? I'm at a channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna pick up a new car or vehicle that we're getting. Not gonna say what it is just yet, but it's a pretty damn cool off-road vehicle. It's kind of like a last minute kind of thing I decided to buy. It was kind of like, oh, this is cool. And then I talked to my one friend, and he's like, dude, that'd be sick. And then honestly, kind of inspired me to buy. I was like, you know, it really would be sick to freaking buy. You can drive on the road, go off-roading sometimes. So I'm like, why the hell not? So I freaking, there we are. I'm freaking getting in my truck. I got cash right here in this freaking notebook I have. And we're about to freaking go off and go buy a car. And my one friend might be coming. I'm not sure if he is. I hope he is, but I don't think he is. I think he's still sleeping. So yeah. So let me get the trailer hooked up, everything, all the stuff we need, and we're gonna hop on out. And we have an hour and 10-20 minutes drive. Alright, so we just hit the open road. We got about an hour and 7 till we get there, so we gotta stop to get some gas because the guy said he needs to bring some gas for the car, so we're gonna get some gas. Fill this thing up. Yeah, fill this thing up probably half a tank at least. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up because I don't drive that much, and I don't really like to leave gas sitting in gas tanks or shit like that. So we're gonna leave we're gonna just put a half tank and then freshen it up every time we drive it or whatever. Alright, we're at the gas station right now, filling up the truck. These freaking gas prices are killing me right now, killing me. But who cares? I put 89. I'm not gonna put 93 in it right now. Put 89. Truck can take 89. I'm not gonna kill it. Save the extra 30 cents, whatever the hell it is. And then it's gonna fill the gas can. I'm gonna put like 15 gallons into this thing, and then I'll put the 5 gallons into that. So 20 gallons in total. So yeah, a little expensive day. 80 bucks, $85 probably, my guess. That's my guesstimate. So close to exactly 15. Nope, 100 bucks, sadly. That hurts, really does. So, yeah, so I bought it. It's, yeah, it's green. It's, yeah, so there's a lot of things that can be done to it. Like, it needs brakes, there's no brakes on it. There's a little brake, there's a little bit of brake. He said, he's like, dude, I bought it. The guy's fucking awesome. Honestly, the guy's freaking amazing guy. He's a freaking amazing blue collar worker guy. He's freaking awesome. But he is freaking he's like, dude, I bought it. I put it on the trailer. I wrecked a guy's truck putting on the trailer because there's no brakes. Dude, the thing rolled back and smashed this guy's truck. And I'm like, oh. I'm like, well, look, there's no damage to this. Like, look. He's like, he's showing me the thing. I'm like, yeah, dude, I can't. There's no paint. There's no paint on it. There's nothing, like, you know. I'm like, damn. I was like, that's pretty funny as hell. And I'm like, and then what do you call it? All right, guys. So we are right now looking at the friggin' buggy, and I was playing with the brakes. The brakes, it gets hard a little bit as you try to press it, but it's not really. Something needs to be bled. I think it needs to be bled. There's something it could. Now I don't think match the cylinder, but I don't know. There is brakes. There's some type of hydro freaking lock here. The freaking, what do you call these? Reverse brake kind of thing. Shift definitely needs to be looped up because she's a little crusty. Like I said, kind of like find first, then second, third, fourth, and then reverses always to the left and down. Like I say, kind of find neutral first, and then there's reverse. So a little clunky. Need to fix that up. I need to figure out what will tighten that up exactly. But other than that, dude, the thing is, I'm gonna wait for my friend to get here to really show you guys it running. But it sounds good. The oil is a little milky. But the thing was sitting. I'll explain to you guys a little later with my friend here. But I didn't know I'll explain to you guys real quick. So the oil. So this thing was actually sitting in snow for a year. Apparently it was sitting in front of this guy's yard. The guy's shed burned down. This was, say I leave it outside, and then it basically sat in snow. So I'm assuming water went down the carb, it went down the oil, which I should have checked when I was there. So, you know, it kind of sucks. I was like, so because possibly could hurt the engine right now with bearings, but I've heard these things are pretty stout on their what they do. So I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not gonna run it too much. I'm only gonna run it for my friend and my father, maybe get their reactions of this, and go from there realistically. But other than that, this thing is amazing. I kind of had doubts for a second when I bought it. I was like, I don't know what the hell I'm getting myself into, but I'm gonna love this thing, and I'm gonna freaking rip. We're gonna rip up the freaking woods with it. Here they freaking are. Here we go. Batteries.
Waiting all day for this.
You waiting all day for this?
This is so cool.
Look at the engine.
Fuck yeah.
Look at the engine.
That's
Bonjour.
what I'm talking about. This is fucking
Oh,
cool.
listen, listen to her. Oh, let me start her up.
Ooh,
Let me start her up.
beautiful.
Watch this.
Were you on like a landing strip when you picked it up? It looked like you were at like an airport picking it up with the guy.
No.
I'd say that's pretty cool where the guy lives.
It's a commercial.
Nice.
She is a ripper. It's freaking awesome. So
The cable.
yeah, this was sticking when we first got it, but it's good now. So I think we're good. I think we're good. It wasn't like that
A little
before.
rusty, I guess.
Yeah, it's just a little. It's just a little. You know, she was sitting outside for a year in the snow and rain and shit.
Oh yeah, that'll do it.
So, so it is. But, you know what this is that I learned?
What is it?
And in the car, when it was in the car,
Heat shield?
well, when it was, no, it's what they use the heating. It's what heats the car actually, because these are they call it. There's no antifreeze. It's all air cooled.
Mm-hmm.
Literally, I guess from the heat from the engine, it would blow against the engine, blow into here, and it blow into the car.
Oh shit! So kind of like a little
Yeah,
like radiator.
so I can get rid of this. I don't need it. It doesn't need to be there. Technically, this is a gas tank, but I need to do some work to it.
Gas tank. That's a keg.
It is a keg, but it's a gas tank. but don't let it fool you. The real gas tank's right here.
I was gonna say I saw that.
Because the guy did it wrong and he messed up. So
What's this? Oh, where's the?
technically, to put the gas in, it's right here.
But where's the? It's not connected.
It's because this is the gas tank there now. The guy, I don't know. I do have no idea.
That's interesting.
This is probably where the original gas fill was.
Yeah.
And then he made the gas fill here, and this is where the gas is supposed to go out into the engine.
Yeah.
But that's what it is, dude.
Hey, you got a whole thing of wire underneath for free.
Oh, that's my wire actually.
yeah.
I was tying up the one thing.
I thought he left it in there. So.
No, that's mine.
Dude, I actually like the green. I'm not.
I'm not a fan of green, but I like the green.
It fits it. Honestly, it kind of looks like Super Mario. Kind of.
Dude, I
green,
know.
You know?
I look at this thing. It's just freaking.
Dude, you know you.
I'm in love with it. Yeah, there's some work that needs to be done. Like there's some right here. There's definitely some. I have no idea, dude. I was literally sitting there going. But yeah, overall, as in eventually, an LS engine goes into here.
Dude, if you can put an LS in there, oh my god.
Dude, this thing would be a wheelie machine. It's not. I gotta have to cut a lot of things up, like cut this out and probably bring it forward, do transmission thing, whatever the transmission they have for them.
Yeah.
And that'd be the big guy's idea for the future.
Can you bring it by the house another time? Show my dad.
Yeah, I'll drive it.
He'd probably like it. Yeah.
I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna be driving this to work during the summer.
Dude.
I don't give a shit. It's my work. It's gonna be my work vehicle.
You gotta deck it out with LEDs.
Oh yeah, dude.
She's strips and everything.
Dude,
Oh my
she's
God.
getting everything, dude. She's getting the whole kit and caboodle. She's getting light bars. She's getting the freaking stereo system. You think I'm driving to work without music? Nah.
I think I know what you need to put also. The
What's-
big ass subwoofer.
Of course. Dude, this thing's getting the whole kit and caboodle, dude. The whole kit and caboodle.
What, I guess, What is this like a custom built or is this something?
It's a custom built, but it's as well as it's a Volkswagen Beetle, I think.
I was gonna say.
So it's supposed to be, the way the guy explained it is the title doesn't matter what the title is. The title, you just use a title to register it, and no one questions it.
Okay.
Because it's custom. It's like, what are you going to say? It's literally it's a car that was stripped down and tubed.
It looks kind of like a Beetle in the back of it.
Yeah, it is. It's just converted to a sand rail. It's, you know. So that's the plan. That's the plan.
This is awesome.
I love it. I'm in love.
Dude, you got me in love with it.
Alright, so I was just editing the video and realized that I never made an outro to this video, which I think I did. I think I just probably lost the footage or it's just not here. But yeah, so this is actually like probably a month later since I bought it. I have not touched this thing since then just because I've been so busy with parties, this, that, everything in the world. I do have oil for it, so we gotta do an oil change on this thing. Master cylinder, I got the pictures, I got everything, I just gotta find the right one for it. And then after that, we can take this thing for a first test drive. Like I said, it's been about a month since I made this video, probably. So, it's a little outdated right now, but it's okay. But, still the same way, you guys, I have not touched her, sadly. But, no, I think, after this weekend, the plan is gonna be definitely, it just poured, so that's why there's a big puddle in here. I actually have a cover for this thing, too. So, after I get a day to actually work on this thing, which I think I work on that car first over there, but, because I have a car I can sell and make some money to pay for this, then I can pay, then I can work, and I can put some money towards that. Then technically put money towards that car. That will be a surprise of what car that is right there, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. Yeah, so I don't know, we gotta get money. I gotta get things sold, money, things like that going around right now. So that car is technically gonna pay for this thing, and then give me a little extra money to put into that. Maybe get that going again, and then that's something else that's surprise for later on. So yeah, and as this thing pretty much runs, I gotta do some work. Battery box, get the fuel tank going fully, match the cylinder, of course, and yeah, that's really it for it to get running and driving on the road. And I gotta register it. That's basically all I gotta do. So yeah, so I was gonna make a quick outro video for this, guys, because it's I just realized I didn't have one. So yeah, so if you guys enjoy the video, enjoy this, and want to see what you guys want me to see done with this, and cool ideas, like I think I'm gonna put some speakers, some LEDs over this thing, but you guys tell me what you guys want to see on it. Give me some ideas, you know, I like ideas. So we'll see what we go through. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below, subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow dreams, don't let anyone get in your way, stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.